Alright, so we are going to be creating this really cool winter nighttime sky with our handy dandy chalks. So we will be creating a moon and some trees and almost like a road or something going off into the background. So we are going to be talking about perspective today. So we're going to have to draw this so that it looks like everything's getting further away. And when everything gets further away, it's going to become lighter. It's not going to be as dark. It'll blend in more with the sky. It gets smaller. And it's also going to, if you have a road or water, it's going to go almost to a point. It gets closer together. The further away it gets, the closer together it becomes. So we will almost be doing like an upside down, really skinny upside down V here to create our little street. All right, so, or stream. You can have that be whatever. It could be water. It could be whatever you want. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to create that moon. So we need about half the paper. You notice almost half of it is going to be sky. Okay, so we're going to do right in the middle of half of the paper, we're going to lay in our moon. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a white piece of chalk, go ahead and do a circle here, about right there. And however big, you can have a smaller moon if you want a smaller moon. It's up to you. It's your picture. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend it out. And that's also going to give me a really nice little fuzzy look, and I need that little fuzzy look to make it look more realistic. Makes it almost look like the moon is glowing, right? So I'm just going to keep doing this until I get it about the way I want it. All right, perfect. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create almost like this look of, I don't know, like a little either Aurora Lights or, I don't know, those Aurora Lights, Windstorm. So what we're going to do is we're going to create, I'm going to get some different colored blues, maybe a dark blue and a light blue and a white. All right, so I guess if we wanted it to be like the Aurora Lights, if you wanted to get like this pinkish color, and I'll try it since I already have one like this. We'll do pink, some blue, white, and I think green, like a light green. So these cool colors right here. We'll do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do almost like this half circle. So we're almost doing like this really big smiley face from end to end. So I'm going to start out with my blue, and I'm going to come to about here, and about halfway down the page, I'm doing this, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm doing like this round, and I'm skipping spaces. So maybe I want to do, now I want to do this, and maybe I want some of this pink. Okay, I'm just doing like this, like dotted lines. Maybe I want to add some of this green. Okay, and I'm almost making it go around, like it's doing, like it's going around. So I've got some green. Maybe I want to add some more blue. I'm just doing like this circle on top of the moon. I'm just using some different colors, and then I definitely want to add some white in here. Again, this is very, very random. Add a lighter color here. All right, now that I have like some little different colored lines, now I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend. If you blend up, I guess it'll look more like the Aurora Lights. So if you want to take your finger and move up, those lights kind of move up in the sky like that. So if you want to do it like that, you can. I guess if I really wanted it to, maybe I could do it on its side. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, look at that. I like that. Maybe a pink one over here. I'm going to do it on its side, do a couple of these. And I'm taking my finger and I'm just blending up. And that gives that really nice look like there's those lights. Oh, I like that look. Maybe even a white one. Do that. Maybe a light blue. I've got it on its side. I'm getting a little bit thicker line. If you want to do that, you can, and pull up. Now I've got these really pretty Aurora Lights. Be a little thicker. All right, so we have some really pretty lights. Yeah, I'm going to do this up. I'm going to blend these up. Perfect. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I need to kind of build my, where my trees are going to go. So I'm going to get my black, and my trees are actually going to do this. So I'm going to come to about here. I'm going to put it on its side, and I'm just going to kind of give me a guide here. I'm just going to do I'm almost making a triangle here. You see the triangle? Okay. Perfect. Now, to make these trees, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black and I'm just going to do some lines up. Just like this. Okay. Now, the closer something is, the darker it's going to be. The further away, it's going to be more fuzzy. So I'm going to actually put it on its side as I go towards the back, and I'm making it shorter. You see how it's a lot shorter in the back. I don't have them very tall in the back. You're also going to see a lot more detail, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't want it perfect. We want these little tree trunks all over the place. Okay, you see how I'm just kind of putting them all over the place. All right, I'm even going to add I'm putting it on its side, adding some shadow in there. I'm just going to make sure that it's a lot lighter and smaller towards the back. Now I'm going to hold this on its side, and I'm just going to do this shape right here. I'm going to put some tops on these trees, and I'm just going to do like these upside down V's. Okay. It does not have to be perfect. I'm just adding these upside down V's, not all the way down the tree really, just towards the tops of them. You want them different heights. Okay. Be real careful when you're doing this, because look, I'm getting black all over. You can add some down in here too. We're going to pretend like there's trees and back of trees and back of trees. You really can't go wrong with this. All right, you're just going to do, it's almost like this. It's just some tree trunks and some tops of the trees. All right, so now I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend up. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm just taking my finger. I'm even blending down here at the tree trunks. I'm just pulling it up and down. Up and down. Now it just looks like I've got these. If I want to go back and add a little more detail, I can. On tops of the trees. I can do that. So now it just looks like I've got some trees. Now I'm going to get a white. No, we're going to have to put our road in first. So what you're going to do is we want it kind of wiggly and we want it at a V. So I'm going to start at the top and I just kind of want to wiggle a line. And then I'm going to remember it's going to appear like it's close together up here. So I'm going to actually touch that and I'm going to fan out like a V. But I'm going to make sure you don't want it perfect, right? And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fill that in. Okay. I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to take my finger. Perfect. You can even go around those lines, the little wiggle lines. You can do that. All right, so now we're going to lay in some snow. And I'm going to take this chalk on its side, and that already gives me a really nice texture of snow. I'm going to go up into some of those trees. Look at that. I'm going to go make it look like there's snow up behind those trees. Not all of them, just in some places. All right, look at that. I'm just going to kind of go up in those trees. All right, and I'm going to actually add some blue down in the snow. A little bit of blue, maybe a little bit of this turquoise. Lay in this color. Now I'm going to take a clean finger. You'll want to take a clean finger. I'll have sponges out. And you would just want to blend it out. If you feel like you don't have enough white, add a little more white on top. Just make sure it's random. Alright. On all this stuff. You really can't mess up. This is your picture. I'm going to kind of blend some of that snow over that road. Whatever it is. A stream. It could be a stream of water. Just going to blend that out. Now I'm going to add, I'm going to look, make sure all this looks good up in here. Look at the snow at the very end of the road. This is where you can go in and add more, maybe more snow down in here. You can fix your trees. This is where you don't really, you want to come in and add some more tree branches. Make sure they're all uneven. You don't want them perfectly even. Now I'm going to add some stars into my, because they are reflecting the stars in the sky. And when you are done, you should have something that looks out like that. You remember, you want them all different sizes. Okay? You don't want the same exact size stars everywhere. You don't want too many. Alright, so when you're done, you should have something that looks a bit, if you want the Aurora Lights, you can use the colors, and then you want to make sure that you take your finger and go up to make it look like those lights. Or you can do this one. You just want to do a simple little windstorm. And actually, I think I'm going to add some trees. I want really small trees right up in here. I'm just going to add a few little, and I'm going to kind of blend that out. I'm just going up with it. Just blending that out. Now it looks like I've got some trees way off in the background there. See how small they are? I made them a little lighter. They're not quite as dark. I'm fuzzying them out. I'm making them a little more fuzzy. So we wouldn't be able to see that in real life. Alright, so you should have something that looks about like this. Alright, I really liked this one. I hope you have fun with it. Alright.